Hey guys, this is a Lakewood P-237 box fan, and this one is on a rolling stand, a wheeled stand. And these are actually not that common. This is it's an older one. I believe it's from the late 70s. I'm not exactly sure when, but I don't really know that much about these older Lakewoods. This one has the first gen blade on it, the slightly more squared, pointed blade set. It's got an avocado green cabinet and a sort of beige color on the stand. And then the switch badge is sort of like a wood grain almost finish. Not really a wood grain, it's almost like a leather imitation type thing with it's interesting. And then the badge also has that sort of fake leather look to it with the old Lakewood logo right there. Now you'll notice that this one has not only the 3-speed low, medium, high, off, but it also has a thermostat, which is interesting. I didn't know that the ones that were like this style cabinet with like the squared or the rounded curves had thermostats. But like I said, I don't know much about these. I got this one off Marketplace for a really low price, 20 bucks actually, which is pretty low for these. And these are not that common from what I understand. So yeah, this one has a Westinghouse motor in it, as you can see back there. It's been cleaned, lubricated and everything. It works fine. So let's go ahead and start it up on high. It's a little loud, makes a lot of wind noise, but it is really powerful. Medium. And low. Alright, and spin down from low. When I got it, it didn't have this long of a spin down time. So, I'll demonstrate the thermostat. I actually don't know. I don't know how I can demonstrate the thermostat, but like it like turns on. If I have the thermostat up to all the way to 12, then it's off. I'll turn it on high again, and then like it'll come on if you have it at a certain. I don't know what the setting is down here right now. So see there, it just came on around 7. Turn it off, and I'll do spin down from high. So yeah, this one is in great condition. Both the front and back grills have absolutely no broken slats, which is something that you rarely see on these old Lakewoods. Yeah, and there's the knobs on either side to adjust and tighten it to make sure that it like stays pointed up at one direction or down. You can just like pivot it like that. But you can, if you want to, I guess, take it out of the stand and just use it as a regular box fan because it does have a handle. Yeah, anything else? I have seen one exactly like this before, I believe. There was an antique sort of shop actually it was closer to my old house. It was called the Vintage Warehouse, and the guy there, he had one of these, but his was in pretty rough condition, had several broken slats. But he always ran it. And then that store closed. That they actually moved to a different location now. Their new location's in Churchville, and I haven't been to the new location, and I don't know if he still has it, but I'm guessing he does still have it. And I remember the first time I went, I thought that it was for sale, and I was very upset when I found out that it wasn't. So, yeah, the label is actually down in there. You can kind of see it. Model number P-237. And then the warning back there. Yeah, there you go. Lakewood Engineering Manufacturing Company, Chicago, Illinois. So yeah, once again, not exactly sure when this is from. It's a late 70s model. But that is the Lakewood P-237 box fan on the stand. Thank you for watching, and more to come.